Koogels.
Hello friends, it's bath time now. Let's get clean and splash around with the Koogels. Splash, splash, bath time fun. Warm water for everyone. Bubbles floating in the air. Bath time fun is everywhere. Wash, wash the little hands. Clean them nice just like we planned. Soap and water, scrub, scrub, scrub. Time to play inside the tub. Beegoo makes a splashy wave. Captain of the bath he braves. Row the boat and laugh out loud. Bath time fun is splashing crowd. Teengoo checks the water flow. Warm and perfect, nice and slow. Turn the tap and watch it run. Clean and ready, bath time fun. Moona loves the bubbly foam. Soft white clouds begin to roam. Round and round the bubbles glide like little flowers in the tide. Leela washes face and hair. Foamy bubbles everywhere. Sparkling clean, she smiles with pride. Bath time style is on her side. Wash, wash, toes and knees. Wash your arms and wash your cheeks. Soap and water rinse away. Clean and shiny, hip, hooray. Rubber duckles float, float, floats. Little sailboat rocks the boat. Splish, splash, giggle in the tub. Bath time play is full of love. Dry, dry with the towel now. Wrap up warm just like a cloud. Clean and cozy, nice and new. Bath time finished, good for you. Clean and fresh from head to toe. Thank you, bath. We loved it so. The Koogels wave and smile so bright. Clean and ready, say goodnight.